Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if some application isn't working on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. If you have a troublesome application on your TV, first of all, try to simply restart the system. Now, the easiest way to restart your system fully and surely is by going to settings and selecting system in settings, and here select the last option, which is restart. Let your TV restart. Now this will complete a full reset cycle of your TV. Then let that TV system load up once again and try restarting your application. After the system, let's see if the application isn't occupying your system with cache memory. So you can try checking out your application now, but if it's still not working, then let's go to settings and let's scroll down to system, then storage, and then we can select free up storage and then clear cache if you want to clear cache of all applications. So the first option in this menu. But if you only want to clear the cache of the troublesome app, you can go to internal storage, then select apps, and then select see all apps, and then here select the troublesome application and scroll down to clear cache. And if it doesn't help you, you can as well clear the data. However, after clearing the data of the application, you're going to have to re-sign into this app. And besides, make sure that the application is updated. So let's return back to apps menu right here, and let's go to manage updates, see available updates, go to updates, check for available ones. And if you do have an update for this application, then of course update it in this menu along with the other applications that require an update, and then try to relaunch it. And if none of these steps help you, then you can simply reinstall the application by selecting it on the home screen. Hold the OK button on the application in the apps list, and then select view details. Then select uninstall, OK, and wait until the application is uninstalled, and then select update or install. Give it a moment. And then try to reopen it. And right now everything should be working well. However, if you're still encountering issues with the application, then let's go through two more steps. One is more obvious, the other one is less obvious one. First of all, let's go to all settings and go to system, then go to about section, system update, and check if your TV has any updates to download and install. And if it does, then definitely update it to the latest version and let it restart. And also, what I recommend doing is checking whether your date and time are correct, since many applications that use web services may not work correctly if your date and time values are incorrect. So just check them in this menu. If they are not correct, then toggle this feature off, then on again. And if this feature won't fix your TV by itself, then you can again turn it off and then set a date and time manually and use correct values in here. And after that, the problem should be resolved. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.